Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If your iPhone is not connecting to Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi is connected but the internet is not working, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to solve this problem. Fix 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on first, open Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Now try connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Fix 2. Use airplane mode. Open the control center. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes network signals and often fixes Wi-Fi issues. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button. Slide to power off. After the phone turns off, turn it back on. Many Wi-Fi problems are fixed with a simple restart. Fix 4. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi. Tap the icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Tap Forget this network. Now reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. Fix 5. Check date and time. Open Settings, General Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically. Incorrect date or time can cause Wi-Fi connection issues. Fix 6. Reset network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Go to Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. That's it. Your iPhone Wi-Fi problem should be fixed now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy iPhone solutions. Thanks for watching.